So today I'm going to answer the question, what coverage do I need for my daycare vehicles? Let me start by talking you through something that I talk through with every daycare owner or executive director that I talk to because I think it's critical. The fastest way that I can think of that you're going to get a multi-million-dollar claim is in one of your vehicles. All you have to do is stop and think for a second on what it looks like if you've got 10 kids in a van and it gets on a highway and that van rolls. And just think about all the dollar bills that come with those medical bills. I can tell you, you're looking at millions and millions of dollars because little lives are worth more than adult lives. So when you're looking at your auto liability policy, if you bought it online and you don't know what you paid for, and if you've got $100,000 for a 15-passenger van, that's a critical risk, and you need to go about fixing that. You need to go about fixing that right now. So after that, let me switch gears. Let me tell a personal story to tell the other parts of an auto policy. I was driving in my car. I hadn't eaten all day, and I had a spicy chicken sandwich from a fast food restaurant in my hand. And I was getting ready to take a bite, and then I felt an impact, and I looked down, and there was blood and fur all over my sandwich. And what had happened was a deer had run into the road and jumped into the side of my car. Nothing I could do about it. So let's talk about how that claim plays out and what happens. First, we're thinking about damage to my vehicle. The coverage that's going to pay for that is comprehensive coverage. It's physical damage. So there's two parts of physical damage coverage. There's comprehensive, which is all other, and collision, which is when you're at fault and you cause damage to the car. What's the next part? Well, I'm on the side of the road with a busted up car and I can't drive it anywhere. So what needs to happen? It needs to get towed, and it needs to get towed to the nearest body shop. You're going to want towing coverage. After that, well, I was out of car for 2 weeks. Rental reimbursement is what's going to pay for your rental vehicle. So comprehensive or collision coverage, you're looking for towing, you're looking for rental reimbursement. The last component I want to talk to you about is hired and non-owned auto liability coverage. This is auto insurance coverage for vehicles that you don't otherwise own the vehicle. Hired vehicles are if you rent the van, and non-owned is if you're driving your personal vehicle on behalf of the business. So just to recap, the coverages you want to look at from an auto insurance perspective are liability. You want to look at physical damage, which would be comprehensive or collision coverage. You want to look at rental reimbursement and towing coverage. I'm Daryl Henry. I'm with Bittner Henry Insurance, and we serve those who serve others.